In this video, we are going to learn about design principles, what are their two major types, and how to hold a design principle workshop, how you are going to get all your teams together and what questions and how we are going to come up with those principles, design principles. So let's get started. First, we are going to introduce what is actually design principles. So design principles are basically guidelines that are going to help you along your whole design process, from your start to the finish, where the design direction is going to be. So why? Because we can have more aligned experience or similar experience across different products or platforms. Now, this is going to become clear when we are going to see some of the examples, and that is delightful and simple. These are just words, but they matter a lot. These are called universal principles. Delightful is going to apply to whole set of products, but if you want to get to a specific product specific design principle, for example, like intercom design principle, they have something like design transactions, design conversations rather than transactions. So it actually means that transactions are very robotic. If you go to or visit any bank or any that kind of institute, the people are going to be very formal. They are going to require a lot of documentation and things like that. They are not warm and very welcoming or very friendly. So design conversations rather than transactions is one design principle that is very specific, that we are going to have a very welcoming or very warm feeling from our product. Now, why do we need these design principles? Now, this is actually your whole design, your product behavior, your tone and voice, everything is actually going to be the part of your design principles. So now the major reason behind this is that we are going to use these design principles to make better design decisions. This is actually, you can say the sword of design principle. So why do we need that? We are, for example, we have two set of buttons or button styles, and we have to decide on one of them or theme one of them. We have two multiple themes, and one of them reflects our design principles like delightful and simplicity, and the other one is a bit, you can say, formal, or you can say a bit dull in their theme. So which one we are going to decide? We are going to go towards more delightful and simple theme or simple buttons rather than the complex one or the formal one. So these design principles are going to guide our design decisions. Now let's talk about how we are going to hold a design principle workshop and how we are going to come up with these design principles. Now the first step is that we are going to gather all our team members. That includes developers, designers, copywriters, SEO experts, and then we have product managers or anyone who is invested in the product or who is linked to this product. Second is we are going to gather our all materials, for example, post-it notes, our Sharpies, markers, or whatever you need. Then we are going to give those papers to our team members and ask them to write at least 5 principles. So we are going to gather all those principles and we are going to post them on a board, and we are going to rearrange them and make a theme converge, and theme is the next step. So once a theme is formed, we are going to combine them by voting them and ranking them, that these are the best principles. These are the principles that reflect our product. This feels like this is our product. So this is actually about feeling rather than concrete design solutions. So this is actually how our tone will be, what will be the you can say personality of our products. So we can easily rank them and then vote them, and we are going to select 5 of them. So more than 5 people are going to forget them, so make sure they are less than 5 design principles for your product that is going to be part of your design system. So I hope you have learned a lot and enjoyed this lesson about design principles, how they help make our design decisions, um, and how they are going to be part of our design system. So let's move on to the next lesson and learn something new.